Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Access Bank virtual card. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Access Bank app from? You can get it from Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using your existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening a new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So once you get there, I'm going to show you how to get the Access Bank virtual card and apply for it. So once you get into the home page, you're going to see an option that says checks and cards. So from your navigation panel, go ahead and click on checks and cards. And after doing that, you're going to be provided with a couple of options. Go ahead and select create new card. And after clicking on create new card, you're going to see a couple more options. Go ahead and choose virtual card type. And after doing that, go ahead and get an insurance fee or issuance fee rather. Then swipe to select a preferred card color, order your card and start using it. So I'd like to go over the process again. Launch your Access Bank app. Then from the home page, go ahead and click on checks and cards. Then select create new card. Then choose virtual card type. Then get an issuance fee. After doing that, swipe to select a preferred card color. And after doing that, order your card and start using it. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with these steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.